and today we're making a double crochet. Once you understand the double crochet, it is the building block for numerous other stitches. I've already made the foundation chain of 12 chains plus 3. You yarn over and skip the first 3 chains from the hook, then insert the hook into the 4th chain. You yarn over and pull the yarn through that chain stitch. And you might be saying to yourself, that looks exactly like a half double crochet. Well, you would be right. But to finish this stitch, you yarn over and pull through 2. You'll still have the 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. And then you repeat that sequence into each chain across the foundation chain to complete the row. If you want to see more about these stitches and the full pattern, check out the Extended Crochet 101 course. We're going to dive into chart symbols and abbreviation, how to read a pattern, and some of the finer points, but there's also going to be back post and front post double crochet. At the end of the double crochet row, most patterns say chain 3. When you chain 3, it often counts as a stitch, except when it doesn't. My way that I do it is I usually chain 1 and treat the first stitch in the next row like a standing double crochet because that's less bulky. For all of the rows after the foundation, you insert the hook under both top loops of the V part of the stitch from the previous row. And that is a wrap on this stitch. This is the same stitch that's used in making granny squares. If you're following the full Crochet 101 course, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single step.